Good day all. My name is Sophia Isaslem. I'm here to have a video tutorial on the use of phone call in digital marketing. In today's ever-changing digital business landscape, customer experience cannot be ignored, though there are many different ways to contact someone, and use of phone call ending up because of other options like Skype, WhatsApp, Viber, Facebook, and email, and many more. But actually speaking to someone call cannot beat speaking on only other medium. So business owner and marketers should not ignore taking phone calls for various reasons. Let's see these reasons one by one. First, bringing people together. Teleconferencing serves bringing people together from all over organization at a fraction of the cost of travel and meeting facilities. Attendees can phone in using a toll-free. What do we mean by toll-free? When we say a toll-free is a line that a customer can call without him or her being charged, but the recipient will be charged. That is the organization or the marketer. Toll-free is a free line to the customers. Toll-free numbers and access code to join a virtual conference room where members can interact with the moderator and other members. Conference call can be used in conjunction with video conference to view presentation, ask questions via the internet, and discuss answers with all attendees. Communication is becoming critical. Whether you are a part of a start or a well-established business, communication is becoming critical, and to know how to use phone calls for your business is important. Using the right tool for your business will bring a major impact to business. Phone systems are valuable business communication tools for promoting your business and handling the customers. Phone conversations are considered a little outdated as of now, but it should not be completely ignored. Phone conversation is explicitly being the need for answering various questions and to make successful sales. Your brand image. From shopping websites to product-based services, users are more interested for brand who has their contact number and are available to take phone calls. Business failing to include their phone numbers will be surely facing a lot of loss in sales. Though email is being much in use, but having a phone number will build a different image for your brand. Customers are usually looking for a brand whom they can call at a convenient time or any time they want to inquire about the things. To expand your reach, you can also leverage the power of a virtual phone number, but make it must for building a good brand image. Who want to talk to a robot? The trend of creating automated messages is so in that sometimes it frustrates the customers and clients. For marketing purpose, it is quite convenient for business, but it is not the best taking road always. It is very easy for customers to reach out via social media, but nothing can replace phone calls for sure. It increases trust and builds a good customer relationship when it comes to providing top-notch services. It is easy and a fast way to provide effective customer service in urgent situations. To remove the fear of unknown theft or mismanagement, security services like cell phone tracker are more satisfying end users. Defined quality. As the competition is increasing, businesses are no longer just concerned of collecting lead. They are looking forward to a more targeted approach to increase lead quality. Using a voice conversation over phone call will give you a greater insight to have more information about a lead other than name, email, and company. With regular phone call, you can know what product a potential customer is interested in, what are their objectives, what do they expect from you, and if it results in conversation. This information will help marketer and business owner to better understand the quality of their customers. No more hidden complexity. Complex problems are simple and quicker to solve phone call. It becomes extremely easy for customers to explain their problem in details, and this avoid long email trail. Speaking over the phone is often the best option for issues like scheduling appointments, and this can save hours of frustration. A single hour phone call can save hours of frustration, and how are these to resolve otherwise? Optimizing marketing campaign. The more the information, the better the business. Optimizing marketing campaign is an important part of every business, and a marketer needs to gather more about their customers. Voice analytics data to have a deep insight to customer need will bring a true performance of all of your marketing campaign. Protocols for business call. Dedicated business line. Open phone register, open address book, rotate staff on help desk. If possible, operate toll-free line. Mention full name or first name. Mention organization. Ask for name of the customer and from where he is making call. Ask reason for call. Pick major point from discussion. Be straight. Work on facts. No need to specify sex, as voice will do that. Do not argue. Listen very well. Inform caller what you intend to do on the issue raised. Inform caller if ticket will be closed. Only end the call if you are the one make the call. Let's have a look at how a phone register can be organized. We have a column for serial number, caller, subject or message, action and status. Caller, we have Zainab, her phone number is there. Subject or message, inquiry on ICT training. Action, send course guide to caller. Status done. The next caller is Fatima, her phone number is there. The subject or message, comment on restoring her C panel. No need for action or status because it has already been done. The next caller is Abdullahi, complaint on SMS not delivered in his bank SMS account. The action, SMS gateway manager to troubleshoot issue. The status is pending. The next one we have Abdulaziz, his phone number is there. The subject or message he passed is he appreciates for inventory software that works. The next one is phone address book. We have column for serial number, name or phone number, category, specialization and title. The first one we have Zainab, her phone number is there. Category is customer. Specialization, buy from hardware shop. Her title is doctor. The next one is phone number. There is phone number. Category is supplier. Specialization is aluminium material. There is no title. The next one is Abdullahi. His phone number is there. Category is hire consult. Specialization is marketer and his title is Mr. A. The next one we have the phone number there. Category is supplier. Specialization event manager. The title is madam. Let's have a sample of phone conversation. Hello, my name is Jibrin Idris, a help desk officer in Gwani software. With whom am I speaking? At the side of the caller, my name is Zainab. I have a website which I am looking for a web hosting company to host it for me, and I came across your company's contact on Google. The help desk officer asked Zainab, from where are you calling? Then she said from Bauchi. The help desk officer, thank you. May I have your email so that I can send some documents to guide you through our web hosting package? The caller said her email. that's Zainab34@yahoo.com. The help desk officer repeated and she answered yes. Then the help desk officer, okay, in the next 15 minutes I will mail the document to you. Is there anything I can do to you again? Then the caller said, no, that's just it. The help desk officer, thanks for having interest in our web hosting. Let me know if you still have questions after getting the document. Have a nice day. Then the sample 2. Hello, you are speaking with Gwani Software Help Desk Officer. How may I help you? The caller, I sent box SMS to my friend in my Gwani account, in my Gwani bulk SMS account, but none got it. Then the help desk officer, none got it. It means the phone numbers are not correct. All phone numbers are correct. Are you sure? Then you may not have sufficient credit in your account. I have 6,540 naira which can do that. Just try it again. It will go this time, and if it doesn't, get back to me. Okay, but my credit was deducted in my last attempt. It can't be. Credit will only be deducted after successful send. Let's have a look at the third sample. Hello, you are speaking with Sulaiman Isa, a help desk officer with Gwani Software. How may I help you? My name is Aisha. I sent bulk SMS to my friend in my Gwani bulk SMS account, but none got it. None got it? But are you sure that the phone numbers are correct? All phone numbers are correct. Okay, but do you have enough credit in your account? I have 6,540 naira which can do that. Okay, let me escalate to the relevant technical officer. I will get back to you in some minutes. Okay sir, thank you. Do you have any other complaint? No sir. Have a nice day. Let's have an observation on the 3 sample. By looking at the sample, the first and the last sample, both the caller and the help desk officer, they fulfill all the rules governing the phone call. That is to say, they mention their names, organization, ask if he or she is talking to the right person, ask the reason for call, pick major point from the discussion, be straight, work on fact, and the help desk officer did not argue, listen very well, inform the caller what to do. The help desk officer did not end the call because he's not the one, and he asked the caller if she has any other complaint. But in the second conversation, they did not fulfill all these rules and regulations governing the phone call. Let's have a look at public relation and customer support. Public relation, target customer and non-customer. Customer support, target customers only. Public relation, explain why products or services are best. Customer support, showcase only. Public relation, explore ways to access product or services. Customer support, show customer gifts and the benefits of the services. Public relation, explain why there are or there are no discount. Then customer support, show customers how to use product or service only. Public relation, get problem on using product or services. Customer support, find out whether customer is satisfied or not. Then public relation, find the satisfied customer, explain why changes are inevitable, gratitude to loyal customer. While customer support, inform customer of changes in product or services, encourage customer to continue to use product or services. How to handle an angry or rude customers. Some customers are very rude and very difficult. That is why many marketers lose them because they don't know how to handle them. If you have an ununderstanding customer, do not argue with him. Listen to him when he's talking. Do not suggest but only advise. Do what he wants you to do for him. Do not show him that you are angry with him. In conclusion, digital platforms is making it easier for business to grow. Any of your phone number will bring you prospective customers. Verbal conversations are absolutely important for success. So make smarter decisions that are valuable for your business. Thanks for listening.